Okay, it's recording. Okay, what's up, dudes?
Yeah.
So right now we're right now, Joshua, stop. Right now we're I'm going home from my grandma's house again. I just went to church school. Can you believe that church school is so boring?
Phil,
What?
shut your mouth.
Well, yeah, I went there, but sadly I.
Don't say that because they give a bad image for Joshua. Don't say that.
But sadly, I failed the cross puzzle. And if you got the most words more than the teacher, then then you get a candy, either a Kit Kat or Twix. But sadly, I was so frustrated and I raged so much, and I couldn't do anything.
And also you can get Twix.
I didn't get that much words. Some of my friends in there got like 11.
Yeah, and
Some of them even got 15. Can you believe that, guys? 15.
Yeah, but 15.
By the way, I'm gonna give you guys a view. As you guys can see, I'll just give you a view. If you guys can see that, this is the view that I have. Other way. Okay, so guys, everything's just weird. Good news, baby. There's some good news, baby.
No way.
Oh yeah, you guys should also follow me on Musically. My Musically is called Phil the Fish. If you could follow me, that would just be good.
Musically.
And then you can see my Musicallys, you can see everything.
We got.
I also gave a vlog too. I hope you guys check out my vlogs because like, I'm awesome. If you guys want to see my brother, then here's my brother. This is my brother. So Josh, do something.
I don't want to see. We're in the car now. But
So that's my brother, guys. And comment down below if you want anything.
and kind of
Not gonna get anything.
It will seem like.
By the way, guys, I'm gonna try to do some fidget spinners tricks, and yeah, if my grades are good, my mom will get me a fidget spinner. I'm gonna do my best so I can get a fidget spinner. By the way, this is my shots.
It was the thumbs up.
By the way, guys,
Yes.
what's that?
Tissue. Wipe
Oh.
your nose.
Okay, Josh, give it to me. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna blow my nose for a little bit, so. Hey!
You have to do this. I was thinking that you could be trusted. Did you?
But it can't be trusted.
What was shiny, now it's all rusted. Did you have to hit me?
Just, Jeremy?
Baby, I couldn't breathe and rub.
I can put your
Hold
tablet.
on. Just wait, Jeremy.
Right at
Damn it! You can throw this. Don't do it. Guys, my brother did not just do that. Did he? Oh my gosh, guys, do you see that? Okay, guys, look at the view. Just look at the view. Just look at the view. So, this is the view. Oh! That's the view. As you can see. Oh! Okay. Well, that's enough of that. I'm gonna have to go now. So, I'm gonna rewatch this video. So,